What if choosing the wrong drone costs you more than money? It costs you the shots you actually wanted. That's exactly what happens when people compare the DJI Neo 2 and the Lito X1 without understanding what they're built for. Same price, same target audience, completely different purpose. In this video, I'm breaking down the real differences: flight, camera, battery, wind performance, and one thing most videos miss. By the end, you'll know which one actually fits your life, not just your spec sheet. And trust me, the camera comparison might surprise you. Here's the fastest way to understand these two drones. The DJI Neo 2 is designed around one question: what if your drone could keep up with your life? It's palm-sized, launch from your hand, no controller needed, fits in your jacket. It has FPV mode, gesture control, full omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and a suite of automated smart shots. You throw it in the air, it locks onto you, and it starts filming. That's a very unique approach at this price point. The Lito X1 operates on a different philosophy entirely. It's a proper beginner to intermediate drone. Controlled flight, RC2 touchscreen controller, a larger 1.3-inch sensor, 10-bit D-Log-M color profile with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, and 4K 60 frames per second recording. The Neo 2 is built for speed and convenience. The X1 is built for control and image flexibility. And the moment you understand that distinction, the decision starts becoming clearer.
Both drones are rated at level 5 wind resistance, 10.7 meters per second, the same number on paper. But real-world conditions aren't always that simple. In steady wind conditions, both are designed to hold position reliably. But as conditions become more challenging, especially with gusty or inconsistent wind, differences in design start to matter. The Neo 2's lighter frame and ducted design can make it more susceptible to airflow changes, which may impact stability and battery efficiency. The X1, with its larger and more traditional drone structure, is built to provide a more stable hovering experience, especially in tougher conditions. That added stability can make a noticeable difference, particularly for beginners learning controlled flight. Battery life also plays a role here. The Neo 2 is designed for shorter, quick-use sessions, something you plan around. The X1, with a rated flight time of around 36 minutes, gives you more flexibility in how you approach your shots.
On paper, both cameras look competitive, but their capabilities are built for different types of users. The Lito X1 carries a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with an f1.7 aperture. The DJI Neo 2 uses a half-inch sensor at f2.2. That difference in sensor size generally translates to better low-light performance, with the X1 expected to capture cleaner shadows and handle higher ISO levels more effectively. For color work, the gap becomes even more noticeable. The X1 supports 10-bit D-Log-M, giving you significantly more flexibility in post-production when working in software like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. The Neo 2 sticks to standard color profiles, optimized for quick sharing, but with less room for heavy grading. The Neo 2's wider field of view is ideal for dynamic, selfie-style, or action-focused content. The X1's more controlled framing leans toward a cinematic look. Both benefit from DJI's strong color science foundation, but in terms of pure image flexibility and grading potential, the X1 is clearly designed with more advanced use in mind. This is the question that actually matters, and it's simpler than you think. If you are a content creator, a traveler, an athlete, or someone who captures moments as they happen and needs something fast, portable, and effortless, the DJI Neo 2 makes a lot of sense. It fits in your pocket, launches in seconds, tracks you automatically, and doesn't require a controller to get started. That level of convenience is hard to match. If you are getting into drone photography or videography, even at a beginner level, and you want more control over your shots, more flexibility in editing, and a platform that helps you build piloting skills, the Lito X1 is the stronger choice. Its camera system, stability, and traditional controls are designed to grow with you. these aren't competing answers. They're answers to different types of creators.
DJI Neo 2 if your life moves fast and your best shots are unplanned. Lito X1 if your creativity is more intentional and you want the image quality to support that. Both are impressive for their price. The real mistake is choosing one that doesn't match how you actually shoot. So tell me in the comments, which one fits your style and why? Drop it below. I read every single one. If this helped you decide, a like takes 2 seconds and helps this reach someone else who needs it. Subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns. No fluff, just the real stuff.